Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Cannon. Today is day 9. It's Thursday, March 26th, and this is your math review. I am going to be going over rounding numbers today, so I'm going to give you guys a few things that you can use to help you get through this. All right. On this paper, it asks you to round to the nearest 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So and remember, in word problems, when it says estimate, that means you need to round. All right. This is kind of the little thing I have made for everyone. I made a place value chart to remind you where the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s, and millions place is. So that should kind of help you remember where that is. You can also find this online if you want your own copy of the place value chart or the rounding rule. All right, and then I wrote the rounding rules that I'm going to use to do these 3 examples here. So the first rounding rule is underline digit in the place instructed. So they tell me to round to the tens place. I'm going to underline the tens place. All right, now I'm going to do my next step. Look at the digit to the right of it. I always, if you guys forgotten, I remember I told you to draw an arrow to the digit to the right. That way we know which one we're using to consider whether we round up or down. All right, so we're looking at the 8 now. Step 3 is if it is 0 through 4, the underlined digit doesn't change. Okay, well that's not 0 through 4, so I don't have to worry about that comment. If it is 5 through 9, the underlined digit goes up 1. Okay, this is 5 through 9, right, because it's 8. So that makes the 6 go up 1, which turns into a 7. And then the last step is 0 out the rest of the digits. So anything after the 7 has got to be turned into a 0. And your new number is 3, 4, 7, 0. Okay, I'm going to do the next one as well. Round to the nearest thousand. So underline the thousands place, like it says. I look at the digit to the right. I'm going to throw my arrow to the 2. Does the 2 make it go up, or does it make it stay the same? Since it's 0 through 4, it does not change anything. So the 2 leaves the 4 the same, and then anything after this underlined digit turns into a 0. So your new rounded version would be 4,000. Okay, and then here's the last one. Round to the nearest 100,000. I go over to my 100,000s place. I underline it. I look to my digit to the right. Does 8 make it go up or stay the same? It's not 0 through 4, so it doesn't stay the same. 5 through 9 goes up. So 7 goes up to 8. And then anything after that underlined number gets turned into a 0. All right, that's it for today. Remember, use these rules to help you if you need them. Also, there's a lot of good stuff online on YouTube. There's just many videos and charts and things out there if you need further help. But if you have any questions, I am here. Just give me a call, shoot me a message, any of the above. All right, you guys have a great Thursday, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.